Do you want to know how you can log into your Truist Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Truist Payroll account. Go ahead and open any type of browser, go to the search bar to search for Truist Payroll Login, and then click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Truist, but if it doesn't take you there, you can click on the third link as well. As you can see, our login portal has been loaded. This is the official login portal of Truist. Now, the first step is to write down your user ID. Go ahead and write down your user ID connected to your Truist Payroll account on the first box, and you can even click Save User ID. Go to the second box and write down your password associated with your account, and then check your password once you're done and click Sign In. This way you can successfully sign into your Truist Payroll account. If you have any kind of confusion about your user ID or your password, click on this link and you can recover your user ID or retrieve back your password once again. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click Register now. I hope this video about how you can log into your Truist Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.